You can see it from here. I'm tired of them. I mean, you can see it from afar how faded these black pieces are. And before I get any closer to them, previous owner, that's what I'm gonna say because that's what it is. The main point of this video today, I got trim bright blackout tape, $4.99 at AutoZone. I seen some guy in a Magnum forum. There's a Facebook group. He posted about using this to do that same exact shit, and that's what I intend to do because the car meets in 2 days, and this isn't the only thing I want to fix in that time. So I need to hurry my ass up on this. Ignore that. There. I know that's bad too. I'm gonna repaint that eventually. Winter drifting. That's what that was, because these got swapped back from the front. All I need is, well, I wanted an X-Acto knife, but this is all I could find. A trimming tool would be better, but I got a credit card. Sorry, an O'Reilly card. That'll work. Another knife, just in case. That's all you need. They say don't heat this up, even though I really want to like form it around it, but I shouldn't, and I'm not gonna. So, if this goes well, I want to do these, cause fuck you, Chrome. Hey, what did I say? Fucking previous owner, so don't even get at me. Alright, you're gonna need scissors for this shit too. You're gonna need scissors at work. I was literally about to say, as I walked over here, they fucking did this. They're good. God damn it. I'm just gonna cut this off a little bit. Oh my god. Check it out, they work. The only brake clean I have does this, so can't use it. So I got the next best thing, alcohol pads. That's all I got, and that's what I'm gonna use. God, these are tiny. What the fuck? There's no sticky back to it yet until you pull that off, so we can just measure it out. It's better to put more than less. We can cut out the less. Grab your scissors. Every piece of traffic is gonna fuck this audio up, I can tell you that. All I'm going for is this bit. This square bit here. Alright, we got it. Man, this shit is thin. Very thin. I guess it wants me to be very careful with it. Put it a little bit over the edge. Make sure we're straight. Oop. Don't want to do that. Because I'm running out of end here. Said it was okay to pull it back. Take it all the way off. I'm probably have a terrible angle on this. I didn't even test it. It says on the package, be kind of sure not to stretch it that much either. Trying not to do that. Pushing all of it out. Alright, we're on to the next door. Just fucking kidding. Alright, take this card. Press out any bubbles of air. Be very sure not to cut, press too deeply or anything on this. I'll show you the flaws. I don't give a fuck. That's the only bit right there. Kind of rolled over, but I'm gonna cut it so it might go out with the air when I cut it through there. But you can kind of see a difference already. It kind of defines the dent a little more, but again, that can be replaced. It's okay. As long as it doesn't look like a faded piece of shit like it does now. Alright, now we gotta cut it. Using the same knife I used to clean my grinder. Hopefully that goes well. I'm gonna assume it's not good. Because it's so thin, it cuts so easy. See? I just dragged that bitch down. I'm gonna take it on the bottom. Make sure that bottom really sticks on there. There it is. I don't know if maybe moving back will help. Oh yeah, you can tell. I mean, definitely you can tell. Other side doesn't have dents like that, so that'll probably be the good side. And this car is fucking filthy. Like, it's hard to look good right now. It's that goddamn dirty. But I'm making it look good in my head. All right, on to the next. I see this one being a little more difficult because of the fucking mirrors, how they kind of overlap a little bit. The mirror is really gonna fuck with me. I was trying to slide it through here and it's just such a tight fit. Even when I lift it up a little bit, it still isn't gonna slide in there. Alright, this is gonna be difficult. It's just me here, so fuck it. I'm gonna lift it up in my head. Alright, here's what had to happen. I had to cut it. Because it's just not gonna fucking work if I don't. Because I can pull up on this all I want, this, but the styrofoam back in there is what's blocking me. That bit of styrofoam right there is what's blocking me. So I figure I can get away with it if I cut it like this under the mirror, and I'm gonna put another piece here. Obviously I'm just gonna kind of try to get away with a gap as best I can. Obviously it's not ideal, but it's what's gonna work, and it'll look better because it does look better in my opinion already. So I'll stand back again. Once I can back it out and actually show you, that's when it'll be nicer. But it's black. It's not faded black anymore. So do this, I guess, after I've already crumpled it in my hand holding the fucking camera. Let's use that side. We'll be good. But that side's done. Oh no, it's not. Forgot all that. Told you there's no dents on this side either, but still. I'm gonna get started on this rear door. Best one yet. You know the deal. On the fucking next one. This one. Same deal. Just gonna do the same thing. Same kind of angle. Just gonna replicate the side over there the best I can. Damn, you'd think I know what I was doing with how good this shit looks. If it ever gets creased on the bottom like that, like it did with me, I just fucking pull it up a little bit and do it down. Wait, I think I finished all of them. I did. I was standing over there and I just remembered. I'm not done. That bit needs done. Well, turns out this side lined up a lot better than the other one. There's not as much of a gap in between here. So I could have probably slid all the way through, but there's nothing I can do. Alright, that's done. I'm gonna go get a spray bottle so I can spray down them shits and be good and get them blacked out so it'll look way better. Damn, I'm about to run out actually. I'm probably have to go buy another fucking roll. And they're about to close. Hey Google, what time does AutoZone close? Well, since I'm gonna roll out of the vinyl, I'm gonna try and see if O'Reilly's has it. I don't know, cause I bought it at AutoZone. That's kind of like the only place I've seen it advertised, so I don't really want to put a black strip on here and then everything else be a chrome strip, so I'd rather just wait and do it all at once. I mean, I got these on, so that's good enough. Another thing I didn't mention me and Clayton did off camera. Well, he didn't even help me. I just did that because it was only a 5-minute thing, so I didn't think to film it. I replaced the front plate bracket thing, and you can definitely tell it's from a Charger because it's got this, but it doesn't matter. It works. It stays on. That was about it for doing things off camera. That's pretty much the rundown on how that's gonna go. I'm gonna go do that, and then hopefully it'll still be the same day when I'm doing this. Well guys, if you can't tell, it's a different day, and I intended to do the rest of the vinyl shit on the side, but I don't have enough to make it with the front doors, and I was gonna buy some like I told you guys at AutoZone. They didn't have it, so I just kind of waited around until I was gonna go to Columbia, and I bought some on Friday, and today is Tuesday, and I've lost it in that time. You think I meant to? No, I'm kind of mad at myself too, but I'll buy more, I guess. But, so the rest of this video will not be me finishing that. I'm just going to finish it eventually and show you guys. It'll just be thrown in. But in the time of that 4 days, there was a car meet. I went to it. A bunch of Magnums were there. And now, I'm officially in Magnum Mafia. All you gotta do is take your Magnum to a car meet where they're there. You're in it. I don't know where I'm going to put these at. I don't know if I'm going to put one or two. Probably just one. I don't know where it'll be, but again, I'll film it eventually later. I just wanted to tell you guys, hey, it's official. I also got a bunch of these cards so I can throw them on other Magnums that I see. These must have been just the first runs or something, because it says you've been spotted. So who was it? I think Clayton said it's supposed to be like southern slang, like you've been spotted. Some shit like that. Since it's been 4 days since I put the vinyl on the other stuff, I guess I could show you that and how it's held up. It's pretty good for me. I did notice when I was at the car meet, and it was kind of a hot day, sun was beating directly down on it or whatever, but when it gets hot, obviously you can kind of form vinyl because it's already heated up and it's just easier to stretch. But other than that, if you just don't fuck with it, you're fine. It looks great. It hasn't faded any at all so far, so I'll show you that real quick and then I'll hit you with the outro, because I don't really have anything else for this video. Like I said, I lost the fucking vinyl. I'm pissed, I know, but it'll get done. Now I realize it's gonna be kind of hard to see because I'm under a carport and there's no sun on it, but it's still good. Definitely black. It's gonna look a whole lot fucking better with these fucking black. But here, I'll show you in the sun. I lied, there's no sun on this side, but it's still good, still smooth, still looks great, at least I think. Obviously it's going to show the bullshit under it from where the paint was faded and all that bullshit, but yeah, it's all good. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this one. Car meet was sick. Met some cool people, seen some cool Magnums, seen some other cool cars, somewhat. Nothing's cooler than a Magnum, of course. If you want to see some pictures of the cars at the meet or whatever, my Instagram is right here. I'm gonna try to throw this up in the video. It's also down in the bio down below. Down in the description, not the bio. I don't know why I said that. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure to give it a thumbs down. If you got something to say, how I can improve it, or whatever you want to say, leave it in the comment, or leave it on the Instagram where the pictures are. Say what's up on there, I guess. But yeah. Make sure to hit the bell if you subscribe. I'll be back with another one. I don't know what. I say this every time. I'm going to stop saying it after this one. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Running, running, running. I leave by my cars. Running.